Bringing you a better canopy with a better design, Garden Winds introduces the second generation RipLock Canopy with Dura Pockets. Corner and side pockets of the canopy tend to rip and burst. Weak seams and thin fabric are to blame. Over time, the friction and tension from the ends of the roof bars cause wear and tear on the pockets. Introducing Dura Pockets. Dura Pockets have two design features to eliminate this problem. First, double-lined pockets. Each pocket has a second layer of RipLock fabric built in to withstand friction from the roof bars. Second, double ultra-stitch seams. 2 rows of ultra-stitch are sewn at the hem to prevent the pockets from bursting. Dura Pockets reinforce all side and corner pockets, eliminating a common weakness in most canopies. We use better design to make better canopies. RipLock Canopy 2 with Dura Pockets delivers the industry-leading performance you have come to expect from Garden Winds.